The complete installation guide for logistics Loadbar Wide. The next generation one-way load bar solution for securing light to medium loads. After loading the cargo, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets of Loadbar Wide may be needed to safely secure your cargo. Choose an area that will place each Loadbar Wide at the same height and position, assuring the 2x4 will be installed parallel to the floor in a level manner. The 2x4 needs to be directly against the freight, which prevents the cargo from beginning to shift. The entire wall application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth and, if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to remove loose debris, condensation, or frost from the application area. To ensure proper fit and pressure, always use a standard 96-inch 8-foot 2x4. Each Loadbar Wide contains a perforated foam insert that is engineered to apply continuous pressure between the 2x4 and the walls of the trailer. The Loadbar Wide is specifically designed for use in wide trailers with an inside width of 99 to 102 inches. If the inside width of the trailer is less than 99 inches, cut your 2x4 to 4 inches less than the inside width of the trailer at the application area. Remove the tape backing from one Loadbar Wide. In a level manner, place the Loadbar Wide onto the determined prepped application area of one wall, making sure that the handle is pointed away from the freight and the pocket of the Loadbar Wide is positioned so the 2x4 will be in contact with the freight. Next, insert the 2x4 into the pocket of the installed Loadbar Wide and place the second Loadbar Wide onto the opposite end of the 2x4 with the tape backing still in place. Pull the second Loadbar Wide towards you and slide into the other chosen prepared application area on the opposite wall of the trailer. Please note that an ample amount of force is needed to slide the second Loadbar Wide into place because of the outward pressure of the system. If the pressure is too great, remove half of one foam insert and try to reinstall. If the pressure is still too much, remove half of the foam insert from the opposite side and reinstall. Never remove all the foam from the Loadbar Wide. Once the second Loadbar Wide is in position, locate the exposed adhesive tab near the handle. Fold the adhesive tab against the Loadbar Wide and peel back the corner of the tape backing for easy grasping. While carefully maintaining the position of the 2x4 and second Loadbar Wide, use one hand to pull the handle of the Loadbar Wide slightly toward you and away from the trailer wall. With your other hand, grab the corner of the tape backing. Pull down and to the rear of the Loadbar Wide, exposing several inches of the adhesive. Next, slowly release the handle and gently secure the exposed portion of adhesive to the trailer wall. Once secure, hold the Loadbar Wide in place with one hand and pull the remaining portion of the backing downward and to the rear of the Loadbar Wide. Make sure the entire tape backing is removed so the entire adhesive surface is uncovered and exposed to the wall. When the entire tape backing has been removed from the second Loadbar Wide, press it firmly and squarely against the wall. Repeat this action with the other Loadbar Wide, making sure firm and steady pressure is applied. Continue this process until you feel certain the entire surface of each Loadbar Wide has fully adhered to the wall.